You may say that this should be confidential, but of course I like to brag about my credentials, so how about it?
Going up on this was today video is going to be on Facebook Live drama queen Amari. So Amari is currently in Jamaica, and she did a video, I want to say probably 2 days ago. I thought it was a joke that she was arrested in Jamaica. Somebody keep how much $100,000 some PR extra crap. I'm going to play snippets of videos and posts that she put up on Facebook. And what, today the 7th, so today the 7th, I think her son David, so she's out there with David and her man Colin, and then we can take it from there. So I'm gonna show you what David has to say first, and then stand.
According to proof of what the officer is doing to my mother, unfortunately he put my mom in the headlock. He took off his mask without permission.
It hurts what he did to me.
Open the door.
David, stop the video on Facebook.
So then I continue to scroll our page, and this is what I woke up into. Despite tumultuous relationship, Colin stand by his woman who was wrongfully arrested after PR framed her by calling the cops and Jamaican Health Board after she cancelled money transaction relating to IRFM. Agreement was that the interview would be conducted in person, but after sending reference number for the transaction to be picked up, the PR bluntly informed Amari that the interview would be conducted by phone 1 week later when she arrived back in the US instead of the next day. So after reading that, and she said something about the health board. I said, no man, something else, not something. So I went and looked on Twitter, and lo and behold, she's been charged for quarantine. So this is what the Observer is reporting, but then I'm going to play what Amari says next.
What's up? How's your holiday so far? Independence Day in Jamaica. I haven't spent Independence Day in Jamaica like forever. This is like my first time in a long time, you know, and just hope you guys are okay. You all good though? You alright? Got me some sleep. Wish I could live some New York life right now. I'm still stuck here in Jamaica. Yeah, I'm enjoying it. A little sad. A lot sad. I try not to be, but you know, things run across your mind. And you'd be like, mankind's so vicious, you know? Not too good, but I try not to worry. Hurt. Very hurt. You know? Well, I didn't even know that they took my passport and my green card, so I can't leave Jamaica. I didn't even know till this morning, because I remember the officer saying that David should bring it to the car when he dropped me off. So, you know, I was here, but I was not here. So it's this morning that David informed me that he took my passport and my green card. So I can't travel. I can't go back home, you know. So court is in like a week's time. So I gotta go to court. But I don't wanna cry. It just wickedness, you know. Cause the only person who knew where I was my PR. You know, he asked me what hotel am I staying at. He had to get that information also to send the cameraman. You know, so he knew everything about me, you know, and he just set me up. I didn't get any paper from him. I'm kind of worried because I hope he don't tell me next thing that he didn't take it. You know what I mean? Then it's going to be hard to go back home. Yeah, I have a Jamaican passport. And it's not, they directly came for me, you know, because me and David been on the road, and it's not about David, it's about me, you know. Because if they're gonna say like I broke any orders in regards to, I don't know how to say the word, I just say quarantine, it would be both of us. But they don't care about David, it's about Amari. In the court, I hope so. I hope so. He gave me some paper he said was signed by a JP in regards to my charges. And he came to my hotel room last night and handed me the paper. After he headlocked me and everything, because I got a anxiety problem forever. From I was in school in Jamaica, I had anxiety problem. And like if I see like too much crowd, I don't know how to describe it, and I don't want to go into it. But I was fine. But once I saw the cops and the way the whole shit, yo. Last night was hard. I woke up screaming, short of breath, you know, and calling out to be taking care of me because the anxiety attacks, they hit me. So far it hit me like 3 times. One wasn't so bad, one was real bad. Because when you don't feel safe, you know, the cop want me to press charges against him, but I could end up losing my life. I'm not stupid. So I say, let it go. But the cop, when the cop heard my side, he said, you definitely need to have this man arrested, you know. Yeah, the police. And yeah, when I went to the police station, you know how I talk, like fuck you, blah blah blah. And I was talking on the phone, and I was like, you know, these fucking cops, yo. And he was like, you can't curse in here. And another cop who knew me, he said, what are you telling Amari? You cannot tell her that she cannot curse. You cannot tell her that. And he was like, okay, curse if you bad. Curse if you bad. If you bad, just curse. And the cop said again, you cannot tell her that. Yeah, so he charged me for cursing too. You know, he said I'm not supposed to swear in front of an officer. But he's supposed to come to me without a mask to lock me up, right? But I'm not supposed to swear. It's just hypocritical. None of this would have happened if my PR didn't do what he did. This man knows me so well. This man knows enough to tell them enough. He knows that I'm cross. He knows that I lose it. But he knows that one good he say that when I lose it is like I see black. Everything black out. He knows. So he knows how I would react. And he prepares them. You know, he prepared them, you know, like you would say, listen, she's crazy. blah blah blah, but they came with all the hatred in the world for me, you know. And he's just a crook.